We are showing you this house and lot for sale located here inside a secured subdivision in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is near Marquee, Landers, and NLEX. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This property has a lot area of 208 square meters, floor area of 256 square meters. It's a corner lot, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, powder room, living, dining, and service kitchen, family area, balcony, and 2 carport. Priced at 18 million pesos. Contact us for viewing. This property is situated on a corner lot. So we have this very clean aesthetic, breeze blocks with, of course, steel used in our gate, white finish on our walls. On this side, we have a stucco finish detail sa wall na yan. So this is your 2-car carport with automated gate. Greenery in front, breeze blocks. And this is your pedestrian gate. So let's come in. From the street level, we have this tiled area going to your porch and your 2-car carport. And on this side, we have this potentially lush garden with steps going to your service area right there. Now, let's head on to the front door. Ang ganda rin ng detail na ginawa nila sa wall na to. Okay? Porch area, we have this 2-car carport, and one more pocket garden right here. So meron tayong space dito for your lanay. High ceiling ang ating carport, so it can accommodate big cars. Once again, it's automated for your convenience. Now, let's head on to the front door. The front door has a wooden, solid wooden door with electronic lock. Come in. Very nice choice of tile. So, hindi ito yung madulas. So, it's textured. So, it's gonna be safe if you have kids or elderly. This is your living area with double height ceiling. Air conditioning is installed. We have windows. Very, very bright and airy. Now, on this side, we have our dining area right here. Your dining table will be under this very nice light fixture. And then, our kitchen. So, our kitchen has a counter. Center island, we have this 2-door refrigerator. We have this laminated na cupboards. Very nice. Later, punta tayo dyan. We have our microwave. We have our normal oven, induction stove, range hood, and this countertop and your sink. Ang ganda ng laminated. Tapos ito, this opens like so para mas convenient for your spices and whatnot. Ayan siya. Okay? Now, ikot muna tayo dito. Okay? So, this door leads to your service area. This is gonna be your laundry. So, meron tayong abang dyan for your water and your electricity. May drain na rin dyan. Now, this leads back out to your front door. Really nice, no? Ikutan natin. Okay? From this angle, let's take one more look in your beautiful kitchen. Yan. Pwede ring stools dito, no? Now, we have some surprises sa house na to. Number 1 is this one. Because this is a hidden door or secret door leading to your daily kitchen. So daily kitchen is very nice. We have our sink. Laminated also yung ating cupboards dito. We have our pantry space right here for your canned goods and groceries. Very nice. Drawers and more storage options underneath. Now, on the other side, we have your toilet and bath right here, shower, toilet, and sink Then this door leads out to your lanai area. Very nice layout. So if you're here and you want to use the bathroom, pwede may access ka dito. Plus, we have a sliding door here to your dining area. We will put in the comments if this is a storage or your staff room. Kasi nakalock siya ngayon so hindi namin makita. But I would guess this is a staff room also because may restroom plus may window kasi siyang malaki for ventilation. So, it's up to you kung paano niyo siya gagamitin. Very nice, no? Now, ito yung ating sliding door leading to the lanai. Diba? Very accessible. If you have guests, they can overflow. Kung medyo marami yung guests nyo, pwede tayo mag-set up pa sa labas. And it's gonna be a really nice party. We have this open shelves right here. But like I said, we have a lot of secrets here. So this is a secret door leading to a bedroom. How cool is that? This is a bedroom on the ground floor. So very spacious. We have ample amounts of space to move around. Bed will go right here. We have outlets on both sides. We have installed cabinetry for your things. So I'm guessing this is going to be a guest room or an elderly room or an office if you want. It's up to you. We have a vanity right here. Plus, it has its own toilet and bath, sink, electronic toilet, and shower with window for ventilation and natural light. Really nice. Then, this also doubles as your powder room. So parang Jack and Jill siya, guys. Yun ang effect niya. And it's also hidden dito sa ating powder room. Pero pag binuksan mo siya, ayun siya. Now, ito gustong-gusto ko to sa mga houses because you have a very smart use of space. Ang ganda ng height. This is a storage. Okay? And hanggang doon pa siya. Okay? Very nice, no? Now, let's go to the second floor. Now, let's go up to the second floor. Wooden steps, wooden handrail, and metal support right here. On the mid-landing, we have this large window. Very interesting light fixture right here. More steps going up. Then we have this hallway that has a view of your living area. Really, really nice. Now, let's start here. This is your family room or entertainment area, if you will. Now, pwede ka maglagay ng console dito or television, couches. Plus, it has a sliding door that leads to your balcony. Nice. Let's check this bedroom. Bedroom number 1 on the second floor. Ample amount of space. Your bed will go right here. Outlets on both sides. We have our cabinetry installed. Also your vanity. Now this is your shared toilet and bath, sink, toilet, and of course, your shower. Bedroom number 2 is similar to the bedroom number 1 on the second floor, but it's currently locked. Now, let's check the master bedroom. Master bedroom, very nice styling, cove lighting. We have our ceiling fan. A big bed can fit right here, even a king-size bed. You have outlets on both sides. Air conditioning is installed. We have this area right here where you can chill. This is your balcony space. Very nice. And it's, meron tayo nitong slats na to for your privacy. Pero may airflow pa rin. O, diba? You can have your seating area right here. Read book, drink coffee. Very relaxing. Let's go back in. We have this sliding door that leads to your, wow, closet space. shelves, we have racks right here and drawers. Then your bathroom. You have your sink right here. You have an extra countertop dito, toilet, and your bathtub with your rainfall shower head. Imagine relaxing after a day's work, chilling ka dyan and all. We have a vanity right here. Really nice at ang daming surprises ng bahay. So now, let's do the recap. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.